Hi, boys and girls. Okay, well, today in math, we are doing some of the same thing. It's remembering and understanding our numbers, okay, and being able to recognize our numbers. So, you want to have your number cards around because that's what you're going to be using in a little bit, okay? Right now, I'm going to hold up some numbers and you're going to tell me these numbers. Now, do you think it's important for us to learn this stuff? Yeah, because you're going to be looking at numbers your whole life. You have to be able to recognize a number. If you want to know how much something costs, if you're at the store, if you're looking at a magazine or a flyer from a store, or you get in the mail and it tells you how much something costs, and you're making your list for Santa, yeah, you got to know if something's super expensive. Yeah, because I remember when I was a little girl, my mom would remind me, Santa has all these people in the world to buy for. You can't have everything on your list that's expensive. So you gotta remember, you gotta look at the prices, okay? So understanding numbers helps us know how much money we're gonna have to spend, and that's important, yeah. Boys and girls, knowing your numbers will help you become a mathematician. Yeah, you'll be super, super amazing. I know it. Okay, so let's start with some number review. Now, these are not starting at the beginning. We're going to start with the higher numbers first, okay? So I'm going to mix them up. What's this one? 16. That's right. There's a 1 in front of the 6. Good job. Now let's try this one. What's this one? 20. Good job. 2 and then a 0. Let's see, what is this number? 18. Good. So 1 and then an 8. When there's a 1 in front of it, it's a teen. 18. What about this number? 17. 1 and then a 7. 17. What about this one? 19. A 1 and then a 9. Good job, 19. What if I took off that 1? What is it? Just 9. Good. Okay. Now these you may know a little better. What is this number? 10. Good. If I take off the 0, what number is it? 1. If I take off the 1, what number is it? 0. Good job. Okay. Now, what number is this? 4. Good job. If I put a 1 in front of it over here, what number does it become? 14. Good. Let's see. What's this number? 9. Good. You put a 1 in front of it and it becomes 19. What is this number? 3. Good. Put a 1 in front of it. What does it become? 13. 13. What is this number? 8. 8. Put a 1 in front of it and it becomes what? 18 when you have a 1 in front. What's this number? 5. You put a 1 in front and it becomes 15. 15. What's this number? 7. Put a 1 in front and it becomes 17. What's this number? 2. Put a 1 in front and it becomes 12. Good job. What's this number? 1. Put a 1 in front and it becomes 11 when you have a 1 in front of it. 11. This is 6. You put a 1 in front and it becomes 16. 16. Okay, almost done. What's this number? 12. Good. take off the 2 and you have 1. Take off the 1 and you have 2. Put them together and you have 12. What's this number? 14. Take off the 4 and you have 1. Take off the 1 and you have 4. What's this number? We just talked about it. 11. Take off one of the ones and it's 1. Take off another one and it's still left you with a 1. What's this? 13. Take off the 3 and you have a 1. Take off the 1 and you have 3. Last one. What's this? 15. 15. Cover up the 5 and you have 1. Cover up the 1 and you have just a 5. Good job. Okay. Awesome. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Now you're going to get out your Etch-a-Sketch. Mine looks a little different. Yes. And if you don't have your Etch-a-Sketch, you can just use a piece of paper. Okay? That's perfectly fine. But your family's going to hold up some numbers. Okay? You want to start with 1 to 10. If your family can't do it, that's okay. If they're busy, if they're working, then you put your numbers 1 to 10 in a pile. Okay, you turn them upside down and you can turn it over and then you're like, what number is that? I know that number. That's 9. And so then you're going to take your Etch-a-Sketch and you're going to make the number. Make the number. Now I'm going to have a video also for you to watch about practicing writing your numbers today too. So recognizing our numbers when we see them and practicing writing them. Okay? So you may want to take a little break in between the recognizing, take a little break for about 15 minutes and then come back and practice writing your numbers. Good practice. Super, super practice for you. Okay, guys, keep up the good work and keep counting every day to 20 and counting backwards from 20. That's really good practice for your brain so you can become a better and better mathematician. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye-bye.